Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of September. So I'm going to give you the quick rundown on what Stitch Fix is. Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 when you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile and give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she's going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, whatever you want, and then those items get shipped to you for free. You're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from the box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to the cost of whatever you're keeping. If you keep all 5 items, then you're going to get a 25% discount, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which makes for a really good deal. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from the box, and then Stitch Fix keeps that for styling the box. I no longer have the styling fee because I signed up for the Style Pass a couple years ago, and so I paid a $49 fee each year to get unlimited fixes for the year. For this month, I asked my stylist to send me some clothes for going back to work. I'm a teacher, and so I need kind of like the dress casual clothing, like cropped pants and nice blouses and things like that. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, they always give you the directions on what to do next. It's really convenient and simple. All of the checkout is online, which is really nice. You're gonna get a prepaid mailer bag to send back anything that you don't like. So shipping is free both ways, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about it. You just put the items back in here and you take it to the post office or put it in your mailbox, and then it goes back to Stitch Fix. You're gonna get an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 25 for me, and I'm gonna set that to the side. And then you get your oh hello note from your stylist, and this is your styling card, which gives you suggestions on how to style the different pieces that are in the box, and you get your note from your stylist. And so I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "Hi Jennifer, can you believe July has come and gone? August is like the Sunday of summer, which means fall is on its way. I think we're all ready for the cooler temperatures. Oh wow, you've already headed back to work since it is a few days past the 12th. How is it going so far?" We'll just say it's going. It is amazing what all you teachers are doing to keep yourselves and the kids safe. I want you to know how much we appreciate you. I'm sure you have a lot of mixed feelings. Well, I should dive into your fix. You mentioned the tribal pants and other colors, so I pulled you a classic black and gray option, and I'll keep my eyes open for other fun colors next fix. I do like the tribal pants. They wash and wear very well, so I requested her to send me a couple different cropped pairs so I could mix and match with tops that I have in my wardrobe. As for tops, I think you're going to look stunning in the Soph blouse. Try it with the black pants. To switch things up from the classic floral, what do you think of the classic black and white button down? Stay safe and healthy. I'm thinking of you, XX Kara. And so here's my styling card. I'm gonna set that to the side. And so here is my bundle. So it looks like it has some colors that would be good for fall, and I can see the different pairs of pants that she talked about, which I do need pants. So the first item on top is the Serein Soph Tassel Detail Blouse in blue. And so it looks like this, and it's got the tassels right there on the front. I'm gonna untie those real quick. It is pretty sheer, so you're gonna have to wear a cami underneath of it. Kind of has like what I would call a paisley print. So that's a nice little blouse. It feels like polyester, so it's gonna wash and wear pretty well. So I think that would be cute to wear to work, to transition into fall. Next is by Fortune and Ivy, the Christelle button-down blouse in white. And it is a button-down blouse, and it almost looks like a flannel, but it has the polyester feel to it. It does have the roll tab sleeves, which I don't mind. It looks a little short. I do like my tops to come down a little bit longer, but it may just look that way. But I'm not always a huge fan of button downs because of the gaping issue. Again, this is kind of sheer, so you're gonna have to wear something underneath of it to keep from being see-through. But that's cute, and I could see wearing that with the black pants. Next is, this feels soft, Fun to Fun Maley Pleated Detail Top in light blue. And so it looks like this, and it's a really, really light blue floral, and the floral print is like looks like it could be a dark gray and a cream on a blue background. It almost probably looks white in the video. It does have a 3/4 length sleeve, it looks like, but it has just a real button right here on the corner. So that looks like a nice top to wear to work with some cropped pants. So that's cute, and I love a good floral print. And then to the pants, and it says Tribal Fia Straight Trouser in black, size 10. And I am in between sizes right now, so I'm really hoping that these fit. But I love the tribal pants because they just pull on, they're super stretchy, they wash and wear well. So this is just a basic straight black pant, and that would go well with those tops. And then you have the other pair, and I think they are exactly the same. Tribal Fia Straight Trouser in gray, and gray is a good color to match things up with and transition. Let's see, you got little pockets, but I guess they're just for show. There's not really like a real pocket there. And you do have just fake pockets in the back too. And again, it's just a basic straight trouser. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back with the first two items, and I have on the top, I have the Serein Soph Tassel Detail Blouse in blue, and on the bottom I have the black Fia Straight Trouser by Tribal. Now let's talk about this top first. It is very sheer. I do have a white cami on underneath, so you can see like where it separates right here. So if I was gonna wear this with these black pants, I might put a black cami on underneath or a nude one. It does have the tassels, which I'm not always a huge fan of the tassels. Let's try it tied. What do you think about it tied? You can wear it either way, really. It is very nice and long. I'll back up here. Comes down really long in the back, which is good. What do you guys think? I like the print. Let me get up close so you can see the colors and the print here. Kind of like a little paisley print. So I think it's a cute little top. It's just I always worry about like trying to take care of the tassels and have them stay intact. And do you guys prefer it untied or tied? All right, as far as the bottom, I have on the Fia Straight Trouser. Let me kind of pan down for you. So like I said, I am in between sizes. So I think I could size down because one, I can pull a good amount on the front and the back, and I think what concerns me the most is that I can pull like a big handful right here. I mean, they fit, but I think they might fit a little bit better if I go ahead and size down to an 8, which I had to do in my last fix. But I like the length. It's a good length for summer because they're just kind of a little cropped. This would look cute with little ballet flaps or sandals. So you guys tell me what you think. I think the colors transition into fall pretty well. All right, I'm gonna try on that white top with these pants, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I am back with this next top, and I left on the black pants, which are comfy. The top is the Fortune and Ivy Christelle button-down blouse in white. And like I said, it's just a polyester top. It is very sheer. You can see I have on a white cami, and you can see through that. You might want to wear a nude cami. I mean, I guess white works, but I was worried that it was going to be a little bit short, but it does come down long enough, and it is a little bit longer in the back. And so you've got the roll tab sleeves here. And it's just a cute little plaid looking print. So what do you guys think about this one? Another good one, I think, for transitioning into fall. But yeah, it's just polyester. It should wash and wear pretty well. All right, I'm gonna switch to the gray pants and put on the light blue floral top. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back with the last two pieces, and on top I have the Fun to Fun Maley pleated detail top in light blue, and on the bottom I have the Tribal Fia Straight Trouser again, but this one is in gray. So let's talk about this top first of all. It's just a very light blue, almost looks like white in the camera here. Has 3 little buttons going down the front. I'll get close so you can see the print. I thought it was a 3/4 length sleeve, but it's a little bit longer than that. does come down and cover my bottom. It's very soft and kind of silky feeling. So I think it's cute. It's a good dress casual shirt for work. Let's talk about the pants. They are the exact same pants, but these almost feel a little softer and stretchier. And so I think for both pairs of pants, I would like to try to size down just because I'm afraid that they will stretch out during the day. Let's see how much room there is. So I'm gonna have to see if I can exchange these pants, but you guys tell me what you think about the tops and the pants, and I'll be right back to do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and overall, I think this was a really good fix. I think the colors are great for transitioning into fall, so I think overall, a pretty good box. Let's talk about some prices. The first item is the Fun to Fun Maley pleated detail top in light blue, and that's this top. And I went and looked at the fabric because I was thinking it's a little bit wrinkly. It is 100% rayon, so it is the type of top that you need to wash and take care of carefully. But it is very soft, it is nice colors, and it's very comfortable, and it was $48. Next are the black tribal Fia straight trouser pants, size 10. These have more structure than the other ones. The other ones seem to feel like satin, and so I think I could keep these in a 10, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to size down to an 8, and I am trying to lose weight, and these are $58. Next is this top by Serein, the Soph tassel detail blouse in blue, and it is the cheapest item in the box. It's $38. It's very sheer, so you're gonna have to wear a cami, but that doesn't bother me at all. So I thought it was a good top for transitioning into fall and a good work blouse for me. And like I said, it's $38. I have the gray tribal Fia straight trouser, and like I said, these are more satin feeling, and so they feel like they would stretch out more. And so I definitely need to size down to an 8 in these, and just like the other pair, they're $58. And then, last but not least, we have this Fortune and Ivy Christelle button-down blouse in white, and it's $42. And like I said, I'm pretty sure it's 100% polyester because it has that polyester feel. Let me check. Yes, 100% polyester. And so just know that it doesn't feel like a flannel. It has like that polyester blouse feel to it, but I think it's a cute top, and it goes well with the pants, and it would be good for transitioning into fall like everything else. So the stylist pick subtotal is $244. Buy all discount would take off $61. And so that leaves me with an order subtotal of $183. Just a reminder, I don't get the $20 styling fee taken off because I do have the style pass for a year. And so my order total would be $183, which I don't think is bad for 2 pairs of work pants and 3 really nice tops. So tell me what you guys think about those items. Do you think I need to size down in the pants? Did you like the blouses and the tops that were going with the pants? Help me decide what I need to do. And so if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. It'll either be for $25 or $50. My husband has had a $50 referral link, and if that's still active, I will put that down in the description box for you, and that way you could get your styling fee waived. You would get $50 towards anything in the box, and you only pay for what you keep. So that's what I love about Stitch Fix. It's super convenient, super easy, shipping's free, you can't really beat it, and especially now that it's hard to go out shopping with everything going on, it's perfect for me. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to leave me some comments about what you thought about the items in my box, and until next time, bye guys.